Welcome today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So you should move with your finger to the center on the center at the same time, like this. Just move with your fingers to the center, and now you'll see the transitions icon. Tap on that, and now you can see all the effects. So you can choose the animation what you liked. For example, I will go in with this one, and now just go back, and as can you see, your home screen animation has changed successfully. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.